Hello everyone, welcome to CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve exercise 7.1, 8th main question. In the 8th main question, we have find the values of y for which the distance between the points p 2, minus 3 and q 10, y is 10 units. That is, there is a 10 units distance between these 2 points p and q, and here we need to find out the value of this y. Let's do that using distance formula. So we can write distance formula d as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance between these 2 points, that is PQ. Let's consider it as PQ. Let's consider the coordinates of P as x1, y1 and the coordinates of Q as x2, y2. So we can write with the help of that x2, that is 10, minus x1, that is 2 whole square, plus the value of y2 is y, minus the value of y1 is minus 3. So we're going to keep that in bracket minus 3 whole square. Distance between this P and Q is 10 units. So let's write that 10 equals square root of 10 minus 2, that is 8 square, plus here y minus of minus 3, which gives us plus 3 whole square. Next, let's simplify it. 10 equals to square root of 64 plus this one we can write it as y square plus 3 square plus 2 into y into 3. It is in the form of that a plus b whole square. Now further simplification gives us 10 equals square root of 64 plus y square plus 9 plus that 6y. Now let's add this 64 and the 9. Then we have 10 equals square root of y square plus 6y plus 73. Now let's square on both sides. Square on both sides. Then we have 10 square is equals square root of y square plus 6y plus 73 whole square. Here on the LHS, 10 square value is 100 is equals to, here we can cancel the square and root. So we have y square plus 6y plus 73. Further, let's shift this 100 to other side of the equal. Then we can write y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equals to 0. Then we have y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100, which gives us minus 27. Now we have a quadratic equation. Let's simplify it for y. Now we have to split this middle term in such a way that product of any two terms should give us negative 27, and addition or subtraction of those two same terms should give us this plus 6. So the two numbers are 9 and minus 3. So 9 into minus 3 gives us minus 27. Then 9 minus 3 gives us plus 6. So let's split it. Then we can write y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. Then we can factor out y in the first two terms. Then we can write y times y plus 9 at here. Here let's factor out minus 3. Then we are left with y plus 9 equals to 0. Further, we can write y plus 9 times y minus 3 equals to 0. Then we can write y plus 9 equals to 0 or y minus 3 equals to 0. Y equals minus 9 or y equals 3. That is the solution. So we got two values of y here, which are 3 and minus 9. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.